Hi, welcome to Mother-in-law's cookbook. I am Manisha Sonde. The other day I made some tandoori chicken and I never knew it is so easy to make. So thought of sharing the recipe with you all. It was so yummy that I couldn't resist eating even the onions here. And the chicken was so tender that it was very easily cut and such a beautiful flavor. And even the green chutney was so delicious even without the ginger garlic. I will be writing the recipe in the description box. Please do follow it. I have taken here 3 chicken thighs and I am giving the cuts like this so that all the marination can get up to the bone. So cut all across the thighs and repeat with the rest of the pieces. One can choose the drumsticks or even curry size pieces will do. It's just up to you what you want to choose. Now I will be adding some salt to the pieces, then some green chili paste. The recipe is in the description box. Please refer that. As I had made this in a zest, here I am adding some hung curd, which is about 3 to 4 tablespoons. Very small amount of carom seeds here and about 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. Then kasuri methi about 1 tablespoon, which is roasted and powdered. Some chaat masala, maybe around 1 teaspoon or so, and chili powder according to your taste and flavor. It gives the nice color also, and by all means never make stinginess using the lemon. Use all the more lemon and then mix and apply this to the chicken nicely from all the sides and niches. Add little oil and just apply it all over the chicken and keep refrigerated until at least half an hour. If you keep it for the longer time, it will be best. If not, at least for half an hour you can keep it in the refrigerator. I am using this grilled tawa, but if you do not have this, you can use any tawa. There is no much difference to that. You can use some oil, heat it, and then add the chicken pieces marinated, and the marination also you can apply on the top just like me, and then roast the chicken from all sides, and you can even cover it and nicely cook it from all sides, turning the tawa or even covering and roasting it, turning the sides in between, and even add little oil if you think it will be burning otherwise. I had covered this in between for about 5 to 10 minutes and then I am turning it again until this was perfectly done. So how to know that whether the chicken is done or not? You just have to press this near the bones like this, how I am doing, prick it and check. If it goes inside, that means the chicken is perfectly cooked, or otherwise cook it for some more time. Just prick this just near the bone and you will know it will be done. It is done. That's why it is going inside like that. Check all the chicken and whether it is done, then only you can serve it. Otherwise, keep it for some more time and check whether it is all done and then serve it with the green chutney. And of course, juliennes of onion as well go very well with this. I had made the green chutney for the marination, and the same chutney I have added some curd while grinding and made this chutney as a dip. This was our wholesome dinner for that day and we all enjoyed it. Hope you will enjoy it too. Waiting for your comments and like as well, and if you feel you can share it as well with your loved ones. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. And now I cannot resist it. I have to eat this. So please don't waste the time and just make your own tandoori chicken. Dig into the chutney like this and enjoy with the onions and lemon.